So in principle, the answer is I would like to raise the income limits to encourage people to become more self-sufficient.
I want to see Ghanaians not only self-sufficient in food, I want to see you exporting food to other countries and earning money.
The whole purpose of development is to create the conditions where assistance is no longer needed, where people have the dignity and the pride of being.
We're increasing access to services to help survivors become self-sufficient. I believe that Africa is rising and it wants to partner with us, not to be dependent, but to be self-sufficient.
And we want nothing more than Tunisians to determine their own destiny, for the economic reforms that take place to allow Tunisia to be not just self-sufficient but thriving in the world economy.
Meanwhile, companies like MasterCard, Johnson & Johnson, Goldman Sachs, and Airbnb are going to help refugees become more self-sufficient by getting online, accessing aid, finding housing, health care, and financial services.